Hey there! Welcome back to Indeed SEO, where your digital presence meets real patient growth. If you run a medical practice in NYC, but your website isn't attracting local patients, you've an SEO problem, not a service problem. In this video, I'll break down how to rank higher in local Google searches so more people in your neighborhood find, trust, and book your medical services. Stick around, this could literally bring new patients to your door. Why local SEO for medical practices matters. Let's face it, when New Yorkers search for a doctor, dentist, or clinic, they're not typing general physician. They're searching best dentist in Brooklyn Heights, pediatrician near Upper East Side. If your website doesn't show up for these kinds of local searches, you're invisible to the very people ready to book an appointment. 90% of patients Google a healthcare provider before visiting. Local SEO is the key to being the first name they see and trust. How to boost your medical website's local SEO in NYC. Step 1. Claim and optimize your Google business profile. Add exact clinic name, address, phone number, called NAP consistency. Upload real photos of your clinic exterior, interior, staff. Get patients to leave Google reviews, they're gold for ranking locally. Step 2. Use NYC-based keywords. Don't just write best cardiologist. Write, best cardiologist in Manhattan. Top-rated heart specialist near Times Square. Also sprinkle in neighborhood names like Queens, Harlem, Soho, even zip codes if needed. Step 3. Location pages are a must. If you serve multiple boroughs or areas, create a unique page for each location. Family doctor in Brooklyn. Urgent care clinic, Staten Island. Google loves detailed, hyperlocal pages. Step 4. Get listed on NYC health directories. Join platforms like HealthGrades, ZocDoc, and NYC medical listings. Step 5. Mobile plus speed optimization. Most patients search on their phones. Ensure your website loads fast, looks great on mobile, and has a click-to-call button front and center. Local SEO isn't about fancy tricks, it's about helping real people in your city find and trust your practice. Visit IndeedSEO.com or drop your clinic name plus neighborhood in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and the bell for more local SEO hacks, and let's get your NYC clinic to the top of Google search. See you in the next one.